Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to make a temperature detector. What this temperature detector is, you're in position 1, it detects the temperature. You go to another position or you go to another place, it detects the temperature. And then if the position 2 is warmer, the green LED lights up. If the position 1 is warmer, the red LED lights up. And if they are equal, the orange LED lights up. Um, or the or they all blink. Is we will show some interface so that to indicate that it's reading a temperature in position 1, the red LED will be stagnant, it will not be blinking, it will just light up. And to indicate that now you have to go to position 2 to change the temperature, the green LED will be stagnant, it will not be blinking. And after that, whatever, let's say the red one is warmer, the red will blink once, or if the position 2 is warmer, the green will blink once. If they're equal, the orange will blink. So yeah, let's get started with this one. So the first thing you need is you want to go to your pick options, and you have to go to you got to go to options and select pick type. You have to make sure that you're in select picaxe 08M2, and you need 2 in 3 out 0 1 2. You need 4 as an input. I will explain it to you why in the second video, why you need 4 as an input. So once you've done that, you've got this over here, your digital panel. The first thing you want to do is you want to start your program with variables. The first thing you want to do is you want it to read a temperature. Now that is done with other in output. So the way I want to do this one is I want to go common, go on outputs. I will go start line, outputs, so there. I want to make the red LED as a logic 1, and from memory red LED is on 0. So I want my first location, I want it to be light up. I'm going to say light up the first LED. Then I want it to wait for 3 seconds. Start line, and just go wait 3 seconds. Okay, so it is waiting for 3 seconds. It starts to light, waits for 3 seconds. As soon as the 3 seconds finishes, this is quite essential, this program will do nothing for 3 seconds. It will just wait for 3 seconds. And what you want to do after that is you want to read a temperature. So that is, you will have to go to other in out. You will have to go read temp. Just drag that over here. Start line, connect that in there. And read temp, I'm saying input pin is 4. I connect the temperature in input pin 4, and I make the variable A. That is what I want. Okay. And I want to turn off the light since I've turned it on. So I will go to common and I will go low. Start line. Low output pin. Which pin do you want to make low? I say 0. The 0th pin. So yep, now it's working. The red LED lights up, waits for 3 seconds, reads the temperature, switches the light off. Now I want to make another delay so that I know that it has read in a value. And I will make this delay for, let's take it 2 seconds. And now it's following quite a systematic process. Now we want to do the same thing for the second location. So I will go outputs. After you waited for 2 seconds, I want my green LED to light up, which is on position 2, and I want you to wait for 3 seconds again. Seconds. So this lights up. I want you to wait for 3 seconds. Read the temperature. other in out, start line, read temperature. Make sure your variable is not a anymore, because it will just overwrite the a variable. You want another variable to store it in, so store it in b. Once you've done that, I want you to switch off the light, so that will be, I have to go common, low, start line, man, output pin, I want 2 to be low. Okay, so I've done that. Now it has read the two values. Now we want to know which one is greater, if the temperature we've read in is equal to, is greater than, or less than. It's up to you. I will teach you a cool way. So let's do if A is greater than B. So we need a decision, start line, decision, optional cell label. Actually, I'll get rid of that. Compare. My bad. Just compare. It's easier. Compare. So I want to compare A. Is that greater than B? Okay. So is A greater than B? Now the next thing you know, yes and no will come out of this one. Instead of what you've seen, these are just commands which the program follows, but now you give it an option. Is A greater than B? There can be two possibilities, yes or no. So I'll just do yes at start, and if A is greater than B, I want to light up red LED. So that will be in common, outputs, start line, and light up red LED, which from memory is 0. Start it up for, let's say, 3 seconds. Wait, actually let's make it, where is wait, and let's make it 2 seconds for this one. We don't want to be waiting for too long, and I think I will run out of room, so I'll just go insert rows for the next part. So yeah, so you output that, and then you want to wait for 2 seconds. Your red LED lights up, waits for 2 seconds, and then it shuts it off. So that's low. Makes output pin, I think it's 0. Make the output pin go. Let's check that. Yep, that's it, if A is greater than B. And the other one is another decision. Actually no, not a decision. Just go delete. I will go compare. Compare. Start line, no. So the reason I'm comparing it again, so let's say A is 23, and let's say B is 23. So is 23 greater than 23? Well, the answer is no. So I will compare, are they equal? So if the temperature is 23 and 23 in A and B, it will go to this part, and then I will say, is A equal to